Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Reasoning by Arpita. So before starting this video, I want to say something that is there is another very good news that is IBPS RRB's notification is out. So I will make one video about that. So if you need that kind of video, then please send me messages. Then that we need a video of IBPS RRB's notification 2021. And if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe it. So today I will discuss the part 4. Okay, the part 4 of that previous year question paper of SBI Clerk 2020. So let's start. So this is our SBI Clerk PM's previous year question paper, and I want to say something that is this type of questions is also important for IBPS, RRB clerk, and as well as PO's prelims. Understand? So let's start. Okay. So this is our 1 minute. So this is our part 4, and this is also important for if you will, if you all want to prepare for IBPS RRB 2021, then this type of question is also important. And let's start. Okay, so here is our direction. In this direction, uh, we already know about that in every direction the same direction is in every question. It is same only. Okay, study the following information, answer the questions accordingly. So let's start. Now we have this 1 minute. So we have this paragraph. Okay, so this question is about direction. No, this is not about direction. 1 minute. 1 minute. At first, let's read the question. Then we can understand what kind of question is this. A certain number of people are sitting in a straight line. Okay, this is a arrangement question, and this type of question is very important. This is certain number of people's arrangement question. Okay, means here does not given any kind of information about how many people are sitting in that straight line. Okay, not given. So here is certain number of people are sitting in a straight line facing north direction. So all are facing north direction. So this is the line, and some of the people, certain number of people are sitting here, and they all are facing in which direction? North direction. Okay, next, B is sitting third from one of the extreme ends of the room. So we can assume that this is case 1, and let's take another case, that is case 2. So this is case 2. Now if we just okay, if you assume that B is sitting third from the extreme, so if you assume that B is sitting here third from the left end, then B will sit here. And if you assume that B will sit third from the right end, then B will sit here. Yes or no? Okay, so B can sit from the left side and as well as from the right side. That's why we have to take two cases, that is case 1 and case 2. Now let's go to the next line. So only 5 people are sitting between B and F. Okay, so only 5 people. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people are sitting between B and F. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people are sitting between B and F. Okay, next. J is sitting second to the right of F. Okay, so if A will sit here, then all are facing north direction. It means this is their right side and this is their left side. Okay, understand? So if who 1 minute, yes, J is sitting second to the right of F. It means if F will sit here, then F second right will be this J. Okay, and if J will sit here, then J's second right will be this one. Okay, yes or no? Okay, next, only 3 people sit to the right of J. So J's right, only 3 people will sit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, only 3 people will sit. Okay, so only 3 people will sit to the right of J. Now next, see here, in case 1 it will be like this, and in case 2, if we will go to the case 2, then we can see that in the right side of J there are so many people. It is greater than 3. See, in the right side of J there are how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are there. So it will violate our condition, because it is already given that 3 people can sit in the right side of J. It is already given that only 3 people sit to the right of J. It means if this case will violate, that's why we will not continue with this case. So we'll continue with the case 1 only. Understand? So we will continue with the case 1. Okay. So now what is our next line? Only 4 people are sit between J and K. So if J will sit here, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people between J and K. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, no problem with that. Now, next line. T is 4 to the left of K. So this is K. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the left of K. Who will sit? T will sit. Next. M is an immediate neighbor of T. So see, this is T. 1 minute. See, this is T. Okay, this is T. And if here what is given here? Immediate neighbor. Now see, immediate neighbor of T is this one and this one. These two are the immediate neighbor of T. But it is already written that given that one of the immediate neighbor of T is B. Okay, we've already know about that. So there is only one vacant place, that is this one. So we will sit. Now M will sit here directly. So directly we can solve this type of question easily. Easily. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so we can solve this type of question very easily, and this type of question is very easy. Okay, so 1 minute. So 1 minute. So this is our what? This is our final arrangement. This is our final arrangement. Okay. So this is our final arrangement. Now our arrangement is done only. How's that? It is good or bad? Is it okay? So, oh, 1 minute. So many people will tell me that, or many people will confuse about that there are so many vacant places. So what we will do now? No problem. Just leave that. Okay. Whatever information is given, we have to do up to that only. Okay. No need to do the extra things. Whatever is not given to your statement. Understand? So next, let's go to the questions. How many people are sitting in the? How many people are sitting? 1 minute. How many people are sitting in the given arrangement? So let's go to the arrangement. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many people? 14 people are there. So how many people are there? Only 14 people are there. So this will be the right answer. Next, how many people are sitting between T and J? How many people? T and J. Where is T? This is T and this is J. So how many people? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 people will sit between T and J. So this will be the right answer. Option number A. Next question is what? What is the position of B with respect to M? With respect to M, position of B. Now where is M? There is M, here is M, and here is B. So with respect to M, now see one thing, that is M is facing in which direction? North direction. All are facing north direction. It is given only. Okay. So if A will see the north direction, then what will be the position of B? B will be the second right of M. Yes or no? Second right of M. That's why second to the right. It will be the right answer. So B will be second to the right of M. Next question. Next question is what? The number of people between M and K is same as the number of people between K and what? Okay. So number of people between M and K is same as the number of people between this same. These two will be same only. Okay. Number of people. M and what? K and what? So let's go to the arrangement. Number of people between M and K. Okay. So here is M. Here is K. How many people are sitting between M and K? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people. So now we have to find out that how many people sitting between K and that person. Okay. K and that person. And K and that particular person's means 4 people will sit between K and that particular person. Okay. So, 1 minute. See, here is written, the question is the people between M and K is what? 4 people. There are 4 people between M and K. So we have to find out that how many people between K and that person. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is 6 to the right of B? 6 to the right of B is what? 1 minute. How many person? M and what? M and none of this. Because if K will sit here, 1, 2, 3, 4, J, sorry, K and J. So J will be the right answer. Done. Next, whose is 6 to the right of B? 6 to the right of B. B is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F is 6 to the right of B. So F will be the right answer. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Okay. So next question is what? This one. So direction, study the following data carefully and answer the questions accordingly. Okay. So this type of question is known as alpha numeric. Okay, alpha numeric based question. Okay, this type of questions. So let's start. Now see what we will do for, in this type of questions. See, we will get this kind of direction and we'll get some questions. Okay, and whatever is in the question, we have to arrange that direction what is given, or arrange that series what is given here. We have to arrange that one only. Okay, so let's start with the first question, then you can understand easily. All the digits in each number are arranged in ascending order. So ascending means what? Ascending means small to big, small to big. So ascending order within the number. So in each of the number, we have to arrange it in ascending order. Okay, then arrange them in ascending order, then again arrange the whole number in ascending order. Then which of the following number will be the third number from the left hand? Okay, let's start. So what we will do now? See, 4, 6, 7. This is the first one. Second one, what will be? 2, 3, 5. Okay, and third one, it will be a 1, 8, 9. Small to big. So third one, this one. Okay, fourth one will be 3, 6, 7, and fifth one will be 2, 4, 6. Done. Now again we have to arrange it ascending order. Okay, within each number we have to arrange it ascending order. Then we have to arrange ascending order the whole numbers also. Okay, so now the smallest one is this 189. Then second one is this Third one will be 3, it will be, third one will be 2 4 6, then it will be 3 6 7, the last one will be 4 6 7. Done. Now what is the question? Then which of the following number will be the third from the left hand? So third from the left hand will be 246. So 246 will be the right answer. Now see, if we will do like this, it will take some more time. It will take some more time. So we have, how we can consume the time? How we can consume the time? See, we can solve it directly like this. This is the normal basic method. Now you can solve in basic method. Okay, see how. Now we have to arrange each of the number in ascending order. Now we know that this here the smallest number is what? 4. Here the smallest number is 2. Smallest number 1. Smallest number is what? Here is 3. And here the smallest number is 2. Yes or no? Okay. And now if we arrange it in ascending order, the first this all are the first number. If we arranged each number with each number, then the first number, if we arrange each number in ascending order, then the first number will be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These are all are the first number. Now if we again arranged it in ascending order, then this will be first one, then second it will be this, third will be, second can be this one or this one, third will be this, fourth will be this. So our question is what? Third. So third will be this one. 1 2 3. No, second, third. 1 minute. 1 minute. So now see here. Now we know that here is 2, here is again 2. So 1, then 2, then 2. So then we can easily understand that it starts from 2. It will be 2 3 5. It will be 2 4 6. So this will be the third one. Understand? Okay. So and this will be the second one. The first one is 189. No problem with that. So like this, just see and answer the question. Like this, we can solve it easily. Okay. So in so you can solve this type of question in minimum time. Okay, with this method. Okay. So let's go to the next question. What is in the next question? Okay. Okay, the next question is what? If 1 is subtracted from each of the given numbers, then the first and the last number are interchanged. Okay. So, then which of the following has the same digit exchanging the digits? Okay. So, at first we will solve it in which order? It in normal basic way. Then we can solve it in the how means in tricky way, how we can solve this type of question easily. So let's go to the, at first we'll start with the basic method. So in basic method, if we subtract 1 from each of the number, then what will we have? In first one it will be 745, then 324, 818, 672, 461, like this one only. Okay. Now what is our next job? We have to interchange the first and the third one. We have to interchange the first and third one. So if we interchange, then we will get like this one. We will get like this only. See, it will be 4 3. It will be 8 8. It will be same one only. 2 6 so 1 4 and 4 2 1 7 6. It will be same only. Okay. 1 minute, you can't see here. Okay. 461. So it will be 1 4 and 6. Okay. Okay, understand? So our question is what which of the following number has the same digit after exchanging the digits? Okay. After exchanging the digits, then we'll get this one, which is the same one only, same digits. So no, there's no option there. That's why the answer will be none of this. Okay. And the easiest method is this. The easiest method is like this one. See, -1. If we will do -1, then 6 will be 1. 5 will be 4. Sorry, 6 will be 5. 5 will be 4. 9 will be 8. 3 will be 2. And 2 will be what? 1. And if we interchange this, then the first and third, then it will be, the first one will be 1 4. Here it will be 2 4 6. It will be 8 1 8. It will be 5. 1 minute. Following number has the same digits after exchanging the digits. Okay. And see here, if okay, it will be 4 2 3. It will be 5 4 7. So see here, in this case, if we exchange the digits, then it will be the same only, because 819 minus 1 will be 818. And if we exchange the first and the third digits, then we will get the same only. Yes or no? Same only. That's why we don't have this one in options. Then the answer will be none of this. No problem. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Okay. So today there are so many questions. We will get sales. You will get so many questions here. Okay. So 746 325. 1 minute. 746 325. 819 819, 1 minute, sorry, 819 673. Next it will be 462. So it will be 462. Okay. 1 minute. 819 673. 819 673. So this is our question. Okay. Now let's start with this question. If first two digits of each of the given numbers are interchanged, so these are the first two digits. So if we interchange these digits, then which of the following will be the second lowest? Now see here very minutely that if we exchange this and this, okay, then we'll get like this one, like this only, like this only, like this only, like this one. Yes or no? Okay. Now, what is our question? Then which of the following is the second lowest? So we have to find out the second lowest. Second lowest. So first lowest is what? 1/8. It is very obvious. Okay. No need to see the last one, because we have no work with the third one. We have to we can work with the first and the second digit, or the first digit. It will be we can easily get the answer. Okay, no need to see the third one. Okay, it will be just the wasting of time only. Okay, so this will be the first one, because the first one is 1 here. Okay, and the second one is what? 2 3 only, because the second because here the first number is 2. Okay, and in the rest of the cases it is 4 7 76 and 64. So this rest 3 can't be the second lowest. Okay, so that's why this will be the second lowest. So answer will be 325. Next, if all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, then which of the following will be the second number from the right end? This is very easy. See here, if we arrange this number in a descending order, descending means what? Descending means bigger number to smaller number, bigger number to smaller number, big to small. So bigger number will be 819. It is very obvious here. 819 very obvious here. And so the second one will be what? Okay, bigger number 819. Next is 746. So next will be 673. Next will be 462, and the last one is 325. And we have to find out the second from the right side. So if it will be the last one. See here, 325, 462, 673, 746 and 819, like this one only. Okay, so it is the last one, and here the question is we have to find out from the right side. So this is the right side, this is our right side. Okay, if this is our right side, so we have to find the second one. The second from the right side is what? 462. Okay, okay, no need to write like this. Okay, just do this type of questions in your brain. Okay, no need to do it with pen and paper. It is just wasting of time. If you will use less pen and paper, then you can consume the time, and then you can utilize that time in arrangement and puzzles questions. Understand? So this is the okay, this is the answer 462. So next question is what? If all the numbers, okay, if all the numbers, if the digits in each of the each number are written in reverse order within the number, then which number will be the third highest? Now, the reverse order means what? 746 is the number, and the 1 minute, sorry. And the reverse order of this number is what? 647. Yes or no? Okay, 647. So then our question, then which number will be the third highest? Which number will be the third highest? So where to find out the third highest one? So if we reverse this, then we'll get this one. If we reverse this, then we'll get this one. Now see one thing, that is the last number will be the first number. Yes or no? The last number will be the first number. So no need to do anything. No need to do anything. Just keep it in your mind that last number will be the first number. Last number will be the first number. So we have to find out which of the third highest. So this is the first highest. First one. This is the second. The first number is 6 here. This is the third. So because the number is 5 here, this is the third highest number. So this number is what? 530. It will be 523. So 523. Third highest. No, there is no 523. That's why this will be the right answer. Option number E. Okay. Next, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word welding? Okay, this type of question we'll do in the next episode or next part. Then you can understand easily. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you very much for supporting me. We need your support at most you can. Okay. So as much as much as you can, just share it, and please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, everyone. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So, and be safe and healthy, and take care of yourself and as well as your family.